We've been working on the Venture Force guns for the last 2 months now, and this is our latest addition to that line. The Aeon Pro. It's a big pistol, but I've had several requests from different people about making a drop leg holster for it, so we did that. And you can see them here in the background. You can choose whichever you want, the left side or right side, or if you want both sides. There's some discount for getting both. We also have the addition of spare ammo holders, and these mount on the side of the platform in the back, and you get 5 rounds per each side, so it's 10 rounds per holster. If you get both holsters, it's 20 total extra rounds for you to use to load the gun. So this is our typical drop leg holster. It comes with a double leg strap, which is adjustable hook and loop, so you can just slide this for the size of your thigh, and both upper and lower straps come with quick disconnects. The belt loop is again hook and loop and is adjustable. You don't have to take your belt off. You can put this up behind your belt and just latch it down. You can also have a large 3-inch belt as well. Also has a quick disconnect, and it is height adjustable, so you can locate the holster on your thigh where you want to. There's a secure strap in the back, so you just release that and pull up, and then you can slide the buckle up and down height wise for wherever you want, or however it best fits on your leg, and just re-cinch that down. Now this is dual cam lock, so maybe on the orange one you can see a little bit better. If you look inside here, there's 2 cams, one on each side, and they're spring loaded, that when you push in on them they spring back. And this is our proprietary cam lock system that holds the gun in place without actually cinching it down with a latch or some kind of strap or anything like that. So how it actually works is when you're ready to put the gun in the holster and you get to the point where the cams are, it will resist a little bit, and then it'll lock it in place. And once you lock it in place, it won't come out unless you're ready to pull it out, and you just pull it. So there's a given amount of force to get it out there. It's somewhere around 3 to 5 pounds. But all of our holsters are set for that. This one's a little bit on the higher side because this gun is quite large and it's a little bulky. So we want to make sure that it stays in the holster well as you're running or jumping or whatever you're doing on the play field. So the holster itself is form-fitting, so it's meant for this specific gun. It won't fit any other gun. We do that with all of our holsters because it'll allow you to get the gun in and get out without any issues very quickly. So we have the orange and black colors, white and black, red and black, black and black. And of course, you can either get the left side, right side, or if you get both of them, there's a discount for getting both sides. And then if you are interested, we do have the spare ammo holders which get mounted. There's a fixture in the back, and then there's 2 screws, Phillips head screws, and they get mounted right here on the side of the platform. And we're going to show you how to do that. It's mounted just like that. Now these are directional, so you notice that the darts actually fall in on an angle. And that's basically just to conserve space and keep them a little bit more in close, so they're not sticking out so far. So you get 5 rounds per side. You get 5 rounds on this side, 5 rounds on that side, a total of 10 per holster if you decide to get them. But you just need a small Phillips head screwdriver. You remove the 2 screws, and as you see it, the adapter is on the higher side and the darts are pointing up. That will go on the left side of the holster. You will have an opposing one that has the darts going up with the adapter on the higher side of the holder, and that will go on the right side. So we're going to put the screw in the hole with a washer. Yeah, that's your first screw in. And that's the second screw in. And they won't interfere. There's clearance between the gun and the dart, so it won't interfere with your drawing and reholstering the weapon. And there you go. Alright, so we got the holster set here. Just going to demonstrate on how to put them on. Open up your double leg strap on the bottom and pull this up for your belt. Open. You're going to slide this up underneath your belt until you get it about the height that you want it, and just fold it over. Flip the upper strap. Flip the lower strap. And then it's height adjustable by moving this up and down, and it's also adjustable here by changing the hook and loop. Same thing on the other side. This is about the right height for me in place. Alright, thanks for watching.